everyone, my name is Kiara, aka Python Kanyamba Ekoya Wasani, and welcome to a brand new segment called Monate Chilas. Now, I'm Hambini Wani, I'm with a gorgeous doll. Please introduce yourself, my lady.
Greetings to one and all, my name is Kay Butelezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zogalaport.tv, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.
Good everyone, it's your girl Kiara, aka Python Kanyamba Ekoya Wasani, and welcome to Monate Chilas. Mara kishola ipotsa ufuna anu Kiara. Well, kitwaretse mshugo, but he will be back next week. Now, as we said, Naledavi, we have a special guest by the name of Kadaf. Kupare mshapele matso. Sawubona bhuti.
Yebona njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
It's an honor to be with you today. I'm fangirling right now. Kupa ojetse the audience. Ke mang Kadaf utswa kae wetsang?
Alright, nami ngiyajabula ukuba la I'm honored. uKadaf is a musician, ngizalwe eKasi la ePhiri. Yeah, basically life yami nje like I was involved around music because of my late dad. Sorry. The legend wamaziyo from Soul Brothers and stuff and whatnot. So yeah, man, I think ijourney yami music ngiqale ngisasemncane kakhulu because I would sleep music, I would eat music, you understand?
I mean, your dad is the legend.
Yeah. Ngithi ngidoje ibhola, mangibuye endlini music nje kusho jazz why umbhaqanga nani. But I didn't think with like at the later stage uzobuka uKadaf lo nguye because nabe ngifocus kwezinye izinto nama career. So I think it was a calling kahle.
It was
a calling. So yeah.
Okay. Nibuyaphi? Ize kanjani?
Kama Kadaf nginikwe ama-out yabuToxic njengoba ukuthi bengi-backup singer like back then.
Yeah.
So there was a time masenza ama-album wabo kaToxic like Malinga e-studio. And then like man Kadaf man something nyalo yabona uqala bugele ukubhala nani so kumele ngithole iflow yami kumele uzithole yabona so like iflow yami like ngithe mangiqala kwenza ingoma lapho ku-record feature like for first time uToxic wathi man i-riding iflow yakhe ifana i-sound njenga-riding njenga-Kadaf lo ama-Outlaws or from Budaying ugroup ama-Outlaws like Tupac.
Yeah.
Athi man ifana uyimamela athi ifana nayo riding flow yakhe so ngimamela athi le ngiyawuza makuthi okay amara yabo so but abantu abaningi bathi flow yami ifana ngama-Gesh still nakhona like mina iziflow yami ifana ngaka-Kadaf.
Yeah.
I-authentication lengikhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Mamela ke. Uzwile uthele legama leliphuma
From Kadaf or the Outlaws. I was about to say, it's giving thug.
Utshele ke. Abantu mebambona bathi uTupac.
Tupac Shakur.
Uzombona Wednesday 8 p.m. Zogalaport TV.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Right now, uye go YouTube. Like I've been saying, go to YouTube, search Zogalaport TV, subscribe, watch the other videos, like, and re-supporting, re-lokeleng mo industry.
So this thing at Tupac.
Sure.
Yeah, Bobita Tupac and Waka Tupac.
Yeah.
On chain.
Very coincidental, yeah.
Yeah.
No man, we Africans. I'm not African American.
Yes.
South African.
So between lag.
Between lag. But me like angithathi like blind like at the same time young booster ne
Booster confidence.
Yeah,
what a confidence
yabona young booster. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
But the Tupac.
I'm the ish. Yeah.
Yeah.
No give the stage like anyamopa like angibezwe. Yeah, angibezwe like yeah. Kadaf nalika Kadaf vele li hlangane nayo Tupac.
Soweto Family Media. Don't you dare change the channel.
I have a burning question. When did you start with music? At what age would you say you started?
At the age, I think, yeah, around 11, 12. Because we saw imitator nabo Pumshaka and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
nabo
yeah.
nabo iTikezi kakhulu na iTikezi kakhulu like influence kakhulu because manga iTikezi sound it's more musical and a bit jazzy and stuff and they play live most of their stuff. Yeah, and then yeah, qala lapho imitate and stuff and then but like professionally like ngiqale it was like 2009.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2009 was a backup singer for Toxic, Dr. Malinga. Yeah, and then solo career mqale like 2010.
Is that when you release a song that you made?
Yeah, as a solo artist because back then I was a backup singer.
Oh, okay. So when you ventured, which song made you who you are today?
Okay, ngiqale ngePari yeah, beshisa like quite but like ama radio stations like they were complaining like it's very streetwise kakhulu. Yeah, I
it's too explicit. Yeah,
I already friendly.
Okay, no, I understand.
Yeah, and then like being a mentor like I'm a cool, especially cool. I don't know if I can mention number radio stations.
No.
No, I can't. Okay, go. Nambung mentor like some of them are big names. You know them.
Oh, okay.
Moon is the late. So yeah, you want to be mentor, bang coach. No, karav okay. Do your homework in Tuana. Okay, you are shisa. You know, you are shisa part. Streetwise kakhulu into yabona iba soft amachita yayopa music wakho uyabona azokufuna amakhophi kahle wona bangabagaya bakwatela cwela bochire mfethu ulokuquli quiet
yabona ubinele ama girls
so and then I had ukuthi ngithathe a break from 2010 ulo singilami le bar and then ngashaya homework study the format mabuya late 2010 and then I release Amashanda Pa. And then Amashanda Pa and then I'm being me pin because we have my chats go most of my radio stations.
Gonna enable
number one. Yeah. So young being me pin and then from Lapoga and then Akala venture out as a solo artist as Okadav. Yeah, and then the rest was history, man. The rest was history.
Okay, so what discography which song would you say is your favorite?
It's kind of hard ukuthi ngichoose kufana ukuthi like ukuthi ngikhethe ukuthi ngithanda abantu between abantwana bawo you understand.
Okay, top 3
yeah I'm going to top 3. Okay, singayizama yipari
yona iqalile
yeah yipari because it was the first track ngiqala ukuzibhalela yona like ngizibhalela like full track ngizibhalela and then we compose and stuff and whatnot. And then ukuba Amashanda Pa obviously abantu bangazi ngayo Amashanda Pa.
Yeah.
And then bese kuba ivuma. Okay, nepasi lomjolo nepasi lomjolo because izobe trend kakhulu na kuma airwaves and stuff na Nigeria like across the country nje.
Okay.
Yeah, cause
ibhasi lomjolo.
Yeah.
Ibhasi lomjolo. Angishayele ibhasi lomjolo. Ngiyinthola ngole something like that like uthi feel like ibhasi lomjolo.
Ibhasi lomjolo kahle mangilenza ne.
Yeah.
Like ingoma like any message but like indirect I was just being sarcastic because at that time I was clubbing kakhulu, you understand.
So it was sort of a distract so
so like into bengizibona like maloku ngivaya amahlapini yabona bona ama underage girls misbehave yabona basiphuma ndawo makharakara nawo ma via yabona into ezifana lezo yabona sayina ipass lomjolo no aljolo tshothi ingane ezithanda umjolo you understand. So like ngithara nje ukuba wona nya kudamba nibolavu buyani kancane bumnanda phili like iban content man like
skakenang basinza umjolo skakenang little ladies.
I've seen you performing on the big stages.
Yeah.
Okay, giving a stages to performance on our now. I've made it.
Tough.
Yo, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Yeah. I would say. Eish, bazongixolela.
Okay,
Yeah. No, because like I've been to many bigger stages, man. Like I'm blessed. I would say being the first guy who has ever done Ikwaito Unplugged in South Africa.
Wow.
Yeah, that's my highlight. I wanna angbali stage.
Yeah.
I wanna angbali stage.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's huge.
That's my biggest highlight because like ngenza trendsetter. Like I became a trendsetter. Like right now, most of my artists like kind of baba exposed go Unplugged.
Yeah.
You understand? And I did that thing like back in 2018.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
Back in
Wow.
2018.
And then when I jabulela man.
Man.
Like right now, you understand. So
yeah.
like that's my biggest highlight because like mba nige eye opener. Like there's more to music like no like a DJ like press. So music it's spiritual.
Wow.
You understand? Yeah, it's spiritual. Like me feel khulume now. You understand? So yeah, man, I did Unplugged bigger stations. I'm mention. That was the first one. Kati mangapa and next door bang is one up and then my phone, hey dude, no. It's a mess.
Yeah.
I'm reaching the station like they went crazy. Like now, man. One or two sends it and I think what now mind guys and then you have paperwork and stuff. You know. Yeah, and then go by into continuously. So I ended up doing them Unplugged like continuously, like each and every year. So they would call. I kind of unplugged until I want to like they go which by enjoy it and then by exposed go and then balande like I want to banding and then they did that plug. So that's my biggest highlight.
Okay.
Yeah, and then number stages money.
So you mentioned that you are versatile. Any genre is for you. There's a new genre, more amapiano, it's called Ikwapi. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's Kwaito and Amapiano. Very nice genre. Do you think that if you ever were to be exposed to Ikwapi, do you think you would venture into it since Kwaito is the main source of the main thing that you started with?
Yeah, if it makes sense to me.
To you.
Yeah, if it makes sense to me, and then I can jump in because like I'm versatile, cool. I believe if you are truly a musician, not a copycat. There's a musician who's an artist.
Yeah.
You understand? So I mean, I don't fall under my artist. I fall under musician.
Under musicians, yes.
Yeah, you understand? You need to play a bit instrument, one at least. You know, maybe be versatile. You understand? So most of my piano artists, like, I'm an artist, man. What's a studio?
They just come and record.
Yeah, I understand. So, but if Njoba shows like Uncle Awe, but research.
Please, I feel like you'll be the perfect person for that. Actually,
research and then if you attend, then ngasebenza jump on it and then ngizwe to cash up. Ngasebenza kanjani. But I think it's at some point it's gonna be pointless. Mangizoyijumpa kuyo futhi. Still, kumele kube ne-touch kaKhadafi leyo. You understand? So
there has to be that signature vein.
So like you need to be authentic.
Yeah.
You understand? But it was okay. Oh, Khadafi, because angeke ngisande njengo ban squat maphuju. You understand? So like maybe an identity as a musician, you understand? Yeah, so it might be copycat. So
yes, last week actually he mentioned
no, it's boring. It's boring because most of little radio and kind of so ban kind of photo you understand like ba stereotype man, stereotype. Like more musician or an artist, yeah. You need to have identification.
Okay, before sidlala ingoma i-1 yakho ne.
Yes sir.
Sidlala ingoma i-1 yakho angitshele.
Soweto Family Media. Don't you dare change the channel.
Yeah, man. But anyways, Bafethu ki 1828 in a few the headlines. But for now, I just want to ask, who is your inspiration when it comes to music?
Okay, good inspiration. Njengoba ngishilo like my dad music wabo like unginspire kakhulu because if ngamameli sound yami kaKharafu, it consists of ama life elements kakhulu. Like angithanda uku mimic and stuff like all of my production like it we play live. You know, ngiyachashi band and stuff, dlalwe live. And then ngifuse ne kwaito at the same time with the current genres is like as a pop-up because like versatile.
Yeah.
Go sound like it's more mature sound. So yeah, and then outside like South Africa, abang inspire kakhulu. Eish, man bani Tupac, Michael Jackson, Quincy Jones, East Africa, Boyusondo, Manu Dibango. Hey man, the list is endless. The list is endless. Yeah. Yabula bateng babala abantu aba musical kakhulu.
But you mentioned legends.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson, Tupac.
Yeah.
Like I also read no a little birdie told me no Biggie Smalls na your corner in the mix.
Yeah, ukhona like baning the list is endless. The list is endless. Nature is like a cool na inspiring Mama Elite Swing Stars, Oprah Hugh. Jonas Gwangwa, and then the Gumachita we quite to like cool feeling now inspired like Malong Habane Nabachama Babachor. I would see Abu Mandoza, Bossa ending to have like Buzzphone, Bomdu, Abu Trumpis, now inspired and stuff. So when I change I studied the format. Study format ya Machita. Nama musicians like Angapandi like well wild and then I fuse to sound Kharafu and then kaphuma yona le sound.
Amen. Your versatility is all that matters. Like the fact that you can venture to amapiano, you can venture to jazz, you can venture to any genre shows it's a calling for you. And that's what I was speaking about in the previous hour, your versatility. Like versatility amotu, you can't just hop on amapiano when you don't know utwakai and all that. So versatility is very important. But for now, the headlines, we will be back shortly.
Soweto Family Media. Don't you dare change the channel.
Abobani abantu ngathi ngiyababonga ukuthi ngifike lapho ngikhona today.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, ngithanda ukubonga my parents wami.
Obviously.
Yeah, my parents wami kube ngasibo ngabangikhula. Obviously umdala uJesus Christ, uGod. Naye kumele simbonge ngoba kube ngasuye ngaba sikho la. And then when it comes to journey kaKharafu nje umuntu engathanda ukumbonga ele list izende soke mara angibakhohliwe bazongixolela bayazi nginabo.
Always, yeah.
Oh, the late Warasi.
DJ Warasi.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
If it wasn't him, ngabe uKharafu akekho.
So now you plaka ku dade yama YFM. I
was there in all of it.
Wow.
Usolo Vista was there with them. He used to be my MC.
Really? Nice.
I was in all of it, yeah. Ngithanda ukubonga uStapo Rutsepo. Ngithanda ukubonga uSizwe, ngithanda ukubonga uBruno, BHR Record Company, le Discovery. Ngithanda ukubonga uToxic. Malinga Sharat ntwana yazi sonke. Ngithanda ukubonga uJ Ross aka Skonondo. Ngithanda ukubonga uSimphiwe Majola Guru PR. Ngithanda ukubonga uEddie. Njalo sinano one ama-dancer. Yo bafethu man, the list is endless.
Endless.
The list is endless bafethu.
Abakhohlwanga.
Nazi nginani bafethu.
Unani nonke akanikhohlwanga.
You overwhelmed right now.
So le uyibizana.
Amapipita.
Mapipita.
Yeah, sure.
Hayi mapipita bafethu.
Before bakubulala. Yebo bakubulala. Oh. Babuka wona so.
Soweto Family Media. Don't you dare change the channel.
Kiara mara place is a
Oh. Ke happy.
What's again?
Do you happy now?
Ke happy.
Do you happy now?
Happy.
Oh man, that was a beautiful song. Enjoyed it, especially because Babu got BBW here. Boh, na song. I mean, but anyways, should we expect single album soon, or is there an album that you would like us to listen to that you've released recently?
Yeah. Most definitely. Yeah, i-album for now ngisamile kancane nge-album. Ngiqeda ukudropa i-single like it's brand new. Ngidrope last month, yeah, December 19. It's called
nice.
Achupiano.
Achupiano.
Yeah.
Nizwele bafethu.
That's my new banger right there, Achupiano. It's just dropping in 19th December. It's available on all digital platforms around the world.
Nizwele, go stream. Guys,
Yeah.
go stream Achupiano by Kadaf.
Yeah.
So achupiano. Yini socula ipiano because mina ngiwazi umuntu wekwaito.
No, njengoba ngishilo like music is music wena vusi ne.
Yeah.
I hate mina ukuthi classify as quite a musician.
Yeah.
You understand? I do music. You understand? Unfortunately, the part of my music it was quiet.
Yeah.
So whatever that's popping right now, because as a musician, as an artist again, you need to adapt to the current sound.
True.
You understand? And you okay when a sharp okay, because you used to quite a musician. So stick a good like it doesn't make it even in the business sense.
Yeah.
You understand? Because at the end of the day, you need to get booked.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm a promoter they bafuna into a popayo right now.
Yes.
So much stick a gulo mentality le wote mina quite what. Okay, it's quite it's nice.
Yeah.
It's the matter of wonke la machenda la popayo, especially
Piano, because there's that way you join about
Now you venture into this because of
I understand. It's a business at the end of the day, you understand. So angesho ukuthi mina kumajita wabe kwati la ni kwati no, just adaptani idale sound nishaya no make it's all about studying, man.
Yeah.
It's all about studying. Mina into be like being sebenzela in most of the cases. Because like in a much they will be surprised, you understand? But I'm not sure how much I'm actually about time to one night. As you know, was the same. Because now platforms now and go like for how much they were quite, it was very hard for them with Baby Corner.
Wow, yeah, very, yeah.
But Dukarafi is there.
Because when I follow kuma socials and I bona.
Yeah, but Dukarafi is there.
Yeah.
So ngathini kwintwana encane efuna kuba uGaddafi?
Oh man, if you're talented, yeah, and then why not? But at the same time, you need to study as well in music business.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, it's business.
Soweto Family Media. Don't you dare change the channel.
Ntwana qeta go eng? O putsa kae?
ngopotsa bo babes so dumo 2016 re shapa dikora.
Ay. Wa bona la ke chai ba mfala.
O shapa tsa gala, o shapa mo sinokono. The time right now is 1958. Sizoyibhala lezo siyaqopha izuzo. Sayivala. Any last words?
Ba, thana ukuthi ngiyabonga kuba la Soweto FM. Thank you for having me. It's been a wonderful thing. Evening actually, so there. Yeah, abantu bangaya ku kuma-platforms wami ku-social media Instagram The Real Khadafi, Facebook Mbongeni Magubane. Achupiano iphumile bafethu intwana yenu is back with a banger. Yeah, abasebayizwile bayakhala baloku bangifonela ukuthi hayibo malume wenze njani ukwateleni ngithi no dala ngitholile like athuke gap yenyana nje angithi I understand the situation la ngithi yeah so ubuyile umshimani ngithi achupiano ikhona lo la sibafethu yatholakala kuzo zonke izitolo asitholeni ishavini bafethu isamabhenga yenu le Kharafino.
Aye.
Yebo, yes.
I'm a booking. Are you taking bookings?
Yeah, no sivulile no siqayile ukusebenza phela manje ndini. Unyaka phela uqalile ngijabona sikusenda ama Valentine yeah so nje from nje kule nyanga nje le ngizadu.
Bakuthola kanjani? Mabafuna
social media The Real Khadafi, Instagram, Facebook, Mbongeni Magubane like wonke ama details akhona la.
Okay, so it's strictly social media. Awuna phone number.
Akhona ama phone number.
Mara basikanga di chance.
Strictly
bookings.
Akhona ama phone number is 0794270693 or 0794270693. But makaya ku social media uKhadafi, Instagram The Real Khadafi, Facebook Mbongeni Magubane.
Likutletse bafethu. That's it from iPython Nkanyamba Egoya Wasani. We will be back. Please don't forget to comment on the previous video of Usinator, and please subscribe to the channel. That's it from me, Davi. Thank you so much for gracing me with your presence as well. You're not the real Khadafi. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. That's it from us. Isho.
So what your family?
Nkanyamba Egoya Wasani, and welcome to a brand new segment called Monate Chilas. Now, I'm Hambini Wani. I'm with a gorgeous doll. Please introduce yourself, my lady. Greetings to one and all. My name is Kay Buthelezi. Before we get straight into business, I'd like to put it out there that Soweto FM is in partnership with Zagala.tv, and I think that deserves a huge round of applause.